Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how I made over $400,000 with affiliate marketing. I'm still making over 10 to 15 grand per month with affiliate marketing, and how you can copy the same offer that I'm using to make these results and do it for yourself as well. Also, if you stay until the end, it's going to be a short video, maybe 5-10 minutes. I'm going to give you one cool tips or one cool tool that I use to make your life online way easier, way more simple, and get way more conversion. So we'll actually refresh the page just to show you that commission are coming in on a daily basis with this offer. So the balance was at $3,900, and you see we're now at 4 grand. So this is the broker 8cap. Make sure to create your affiliate account using my link if you want to get all the perks, all the commission, and make sure that you can connect with the affiliate manager so you can get the best deal for your client. For example, I negotiated a $250 welcome bonus for everybody that is signing up with my link. So you can have the same, and you can make commission up to $900 CPA. So, for example, you can see that so far this month, I made over $14,000 of commission, $14,000 of commission. We got $10,000 that have been paid and $4,000 as a balance. This is me, 𝐉𝐨𝐢𝐧 entrepreneur. I have 24 people registered, first time 6 person that have made their deposit. Now I'm gonna let you play around in the dashboard. It's pretty simple. It's the number of refer account, first time depositor, the number of total deposit, withdrawal, all that good stuff. What is the trade symbol that they're trading, how many lot, close position, all of that. And at the bottom you have the account that are being created with the recent activities. Now, what is important and what I wanted to show you is where you can get multiple links like that to promote multiple offers. You can see over here, this is Forex, this is stocks, this is crypto, and this is AI. So all of these features, you can get them with the same broker, opening an account with any basically link. But for your marketing purposes, it's great to know that you can promote it with different links. So the number one tip that I suggest you to do, guys, is get your link, right? Get your link, because sometimes people, they just don't get their link for whatever reason. They wait until they have an opportunity to share their link, or they wait until they have someone asking for the links. Don't do that. Because in this case, you're not prepared, and guess what? If you're not prepared for life, then life is gonna say, okay, on to the next one. So make sure that you're ready for the opportunity, that you have your actual link ready. So over here, as you see, you have your default link, but I'm gonna show you how you can go and get way more links like I just showed you. So if you do marketing tool over here, and then you do all marketing tools, you will see this over here. Now, if you choose filter by brand, there's only one, 8cap. We're gonna go with English, so we're left with 49 already. And we're gonna filter by type. We're gonna do landing page. Okay, we're gonna do show creative, and this is gonna give me like all these landing page, right? And you can see basically like this one is trade Forex. That's the name of the creative. You can copy the URL here. You can get an HTML code here. If you don't know what a HTML code is, that's probably because you don't need it. just get the link, and basically you can do you can open a new page and Test the link, make sure it is working. Sometimes some of them are not working. It's rare, but it does happen. I saw one that was not working. So you see this one is saying trade 40 plus forex pair with spread up to 5 times lower than those of top forex broker. All right, so you can do so my second tip for this video is get your link out there. The first tip was to have your actual link ready. Now I see so many people, they just put their link in their bio. And tip number 3, I'm going to give you a tool for that to help you with that. But just putting your link in your bio, it's not going to work. Like, it's a numbers game. You need to have hundreds and hundreds of visitors, if it's not 1,000 per month, to make this work, your time. But over here you can see 4.4 on Trustpilot, 495 reviews, award-winning support team. This is true, they're very great. Lower pips than a top, lower spread than a top broker. Many way to deposit and withdraw, as you can see, with BTC, PayPal, and all that stuff. And exclusive education and unique tool. So that is pretty cool right here, right? Now, as you see over here, there's other offer, other pages. There's this one, it's Binance. It's just like basically saying, tired of trading on Binance or whatever, like switch to us. We have better spread for our crypto. Over here, crypto derivative crypto ultra low spread. So this is that page over here. It says trade 250 plus crypto derivative with ultra low spread, and it's giving you the spread of the most popular cryptos. So you can do a YouTube video on that. And once the video is on YouTube, you can share it on IG as an IGTV video as well. And you can share it in your YouTube story, share it in your Instagram stories. And in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to start your own brand, how to start building your own list, how to start building your own leads, how to start building your own community. So if you're like, well, I don't know what to do, well, here's 15 video idea for you. This one is for the Trade Fest event, right? It has nothing to do with actual crypto or Forex or this. It's just an event. But you can get people under that. There's even one that is a demo account registration. So you can be smart about it. And you can be like, hey, we're doing a competition. Just register with this broker with the demo account. You don't need to open any live account. You don't need to register yet. Just need to open a demo account. And what that's going to do is that's going to make people start actually opening at least a client portal with the broker. And the broker is going to probably promote to them to create a live account through email or by calling them. And the broker will do half of the job for you. So that is my first tip for today. And the last thing that I will show you, my third tips, is Linktree. So link, LINKTR.ee, so as you can see over here, is a very cool tool where you can put multiple links. So as you see me, I have like my prop firm, becoming an affiliate, the actual broker, becoming an affiliate for the broker, becoming an affiliate for the prop firms, joining the affiliate group, blah 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 blah, right? So, and on top of that, there's a bunch of other stuff that I'm not necessarily going to go through because you can just play with it. There's so much now, but basically you can change the appearance of your Linktree. You can put your social media, as you see over here. You can put some payment option, as you see over here. You can add the music that you like. You can add your new YouTube video. There's so much to do with Linktree. It's actually free. and there's a pay version for like $6 per month. So I recommend getting that. Also, if you're gonna be doing pay advertising in the future, you can put your Facebook pixel, Google pixel, and all that inside of here. This is more tricky, but it's basically gonna be able to track the people that are getting on this page, and you're gonna be able to retarget them with your ad in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click the link in the bio and join our affiliate group. If you're not in it, you can literally make up to $900 per commission promoting the broker. As you can see over here, the same broker that I just showed you. You can use my affiliate link. There's an affiliate link to sign up as a broker. It's that link right here. Okay, you're gonna find it in our affiliate group or in the bio of this video. And you can also join the affiliate program to promote my prop firm. I'm owner of forexpropfirm.com, and this is one of the top prop firm already, and we are growing very well, and we already have dozen and dozen of 5-star review, and people are already saying it's the best prop firm compared to all the biggest name out there. So start promoting this. You can make up to $225 commission per client you refer on the regular model, on the 2-step model, and on the instant funding model you can make up to $2,000 commission per person. So take care, guys. Make sure to join our affiliate group. I'm gonna give you a bunch of tips, tools, tricks, templates, and all that. Make sure to create your link, have your link ready, and I will see you in the next video, where I will show you how to create your own brand and community on social media and start collecting leads.